Welcome to my living room. Hi, welcome to Jackie How. Thank you so much for joining me on my beautiful living room tour. This living room is very special because it's our new home and I'm excited to show you how I decorated it. So let's get started. The living room is the first thing you see when you enter the home. You see these grand, beautiful cathedral ceilings. We have these statement pieces, wood beams enhancing our ceiling. Beautiful windows, gets a lot of light, a lot of love, a lot of family time, and you know family is everything. One of the important parts of a living room is the sofa, the couch. And we were going back and forth. My husband and I couldn't decide what type of sofas to buy. We finally realized that we needed a sectional because I love sectionals and my husband really wasn't on board when he initially found out that I wanted a sectional. But once I told him my thought process and showed him pictures, my inspiration, and we did some measuring, we finally decided a sectional was perfect. These sofas we purchased from Pottery Barn. I am in love with Pottery Barn. It has such a classic, modern, beautiful furniture. We actually put tape on the floor just to make sure we had the perfect size. I didn't want furniture to be too much, too overpowering, because I still wanted the space to be spacious and airy and comfortable, not too cluttered. And I feel like the sectional did an amazing job. Are made from memory foam. Oh my gosh, to fall asleep on them like a dream. In the morning you will wake up with the sun in your face, but it's still so comfortable. The color that we chose is very neutral. I'm in love with really light colored sofas. It also brings a beautiful texture with the material, perfect for the space. When you lay down, you see these beautiful wood beams in the ceiling. In addition to the sectional, I needed a statement chair, and this chair is amazing. I love the caramel color. It's leather. It's very, very comfortable. Let me show you the best part. It's actually a recliner. I'm not gonna lie, I think I have an obsession with clocks. I love them. And the bigger, the better. I love bold statement clocks. Not that I really look at the time, I just love the look of them. The colors, this has beautiful metallic vintage colors that are faded, rusty. I love it. If you saw my dining room, this is actually the same style of the dining room table, but in a circular coffee table style. Isn't it so beautiful? When I saw this lamp from Pottery Barn, I fell in love. I feel like it gives like 60 vibes. The white, the bronze. It gives you an option of having both lights on or one at a time. It just brings such beautiful light into this room and just unique. This is the fireplace wall. My husband and I actually chose to upgrade this wall. We chose culture stone. Originally, this would have had brick. We chose this beautiful stone to give it more character and personality, and we chose to bring it all the way to the top to make it more grand and beautiful and more of a statement. We also chose to upgrade the mantle. The mantle would have been just a standard flat mantle. I love reclaimed wood because it came from a barn and it was just refinished, repolished, reused. Adding a console table behind our sofa adds a polished look where you get more details. It doesn't look so empty. And I love the little faux plants, the book that's extremely important to us. We have our engagement book and our wedding book here. I love this lamp that I got from TJ Maxx. It's very, very unique. Also vintagey character. Looks very like old and rustic, and I love rustic things. I added some baskets. This is from Pottery Barn. I love the natural color. It just brings nature. I love natural wood. The color is so beautiful. Deciding to have curtains was a little tough because I love the openness of this room and I didn't want to block any windows. But because these curtains are white and they also have a beautiful texture, they match the walls, they're not too bold. These are from Pottery Barn as well. I love the jute natural material that it also has. At nighttime, it's perfect because the windows are normally black. You close it and the windows will be white. It's beautiful. This fireplace is very special to me. We had a condo in New York City. New York City doesn't really have any fireplaces, so I had like those electric fireplaces in my old home on the wall. So I always had a fascination with fire. I feel like fire brings such beautiful energy to a space. So I had the electric fireplace in the old home, and now I have a real fireplace. Hope you enjoyed this video on how I style my living room. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It supports the channel so much. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @JackieHowe_J. I love you so much. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.